We're going to take a look at the Redmi 10C's box. So we can have a look at the fact that this is available in green, black and blue, the Xiaomi logo, 10C. Then at the jab at Huawei, it says with easy access to the Google apps you use the most on both sides. At the top, nothing. At the bottom, we have information about the package contents, mobile phone, an adapter, USB-C cable, SIM jack 2, quick start guide, warranty card, safety information, and then product name, product model, manufacturer, manufacturers, postal address, made in China, brand is the Redmi, multiple symbols, the IMEI numbers, barcodes, and the QR code down there, as well as the manufacturing date of February. So this is it. Okay, so then this is the plastic sleeve that the phone will come in, and then you will have the screen protector that's on top of the phone, and it will say stuff like, which you can't see obviously because it's white on white, and there's a cutout on the cardboard here for the huge camera bump, SIM jack tool. Inside here you have stuff like the warranty card, so it is available in different languages. You have a safety information pamphlet, and it's one of those that will fold out and be a very nightmare to unfold and refold later on. Quite large in size. I think this is larger than A3. Just gonna have a quick scan. So again, it's just the same thing in many different languages, but because it's in this format, they just need to spend time to fold the paper. They don't need to spend time with metal staples. So I guess this is the preferred over metal staples because it's easier to recycle, which is probably where this information is probably going to end up at, because who's going to actually want to keep this and read it? At one point, can they actually just replace this with PDF on the phone, which when will laws allow for that? Because frankly, this is just a bit unnecessary to have such large paper coming with phones. And lastly but not least, we have the quick start guide, which reverts to the staple method of binding. So this does have a dual SIM capabilities with a dedicated space for micro SD card, which does not take up any of the second SIM. And then here we have a space for the Type-C cable. Relatively a lot of space that's not actually used, so the box could actually be thinner. And even though this phone does support faster than charging than this brick can offer, it's good to have a brick nonetheless. This is a 10 watt brick.